Hello, friends. What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you have seen some areas where doors automatically open when we go near them. Similarly, when our hands get under an automatic tap, it releases the water. Guys, today we will make a miniature circuit using the PIR motion sensor. The sensor which detects this motion is called as the PIR motion sensor. PIR stands for Passive Infrared Sensor. As we know that our body releases some heat. This sensor detects that heat which helps in detecting the human presence. So guys, as you can see, this is a PIR motion sensor. Friends, as you can see, this sensor has two potentiometers. This potentiometer is to find out the sensitivity. So I have set it to about here. You can, to increase sensitivity, rotate it clockwise, and to decrease the sensitivity, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. Guys, this potentiometer includes the time delay, and to increase the time delay we have to turn it clockwise, and to decrease it we have to turn it anti-clockwise, as I showed before. Friends, as you can see, I have set it to here, half of the sensitivity and half the time delay. Friends, for this project we require an Arduino Uno board, a PIR motion sensor, an LED, a resistor, a buzzer, a few male to male and male to female jumper wires, and a breadboard. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. First, I will show you the simulation of the project. Friends, as you can see, this is the project which we will do today. Here's my motion sensor, buzzer, LED, and my Arduino Uno. Let me explain the motion sensor first. So as you can see, there are three pins on the motion sensor. This is the ground pin, which has been connected to the GND of the Arduino Uno. And as you can see, this is the power pin, which is the VCC, and I have connected it to 5 volts. And this is the signal pin, which has been connected to digital port number 2. Yes, this is the piezoelectric buzzer, and the LED interfacing was done in my previous video. Now let me come to my code part. As you can see, in this part of the code, I am defining my PIR sensor, buzzer, and LED on digital pins number 2, 8, and 10 respectively. Here I am declaring, here I have started the serial monitor. Over here, I have declared the PIR sensor as input and my LED as output. Here, I have declared the buzzer as output. Now guys, I am digitally reading my PIR sensor and saving it in a variable called motion. So if the motion is present, the serial monitor will display that the warning motion is detected, and it will switch on the LED and trigger the buzzer to 1000 Hertz frequency. And if the motion is not there, then the serial monitor will print that the motion is not detected, and then it will switch off the LED, and it will switch off the buzzer. Guys, always remember this motion sensor has a little impact after the motion is detected, so don't need to worry about that. Guys, now I will show you the simulation. So as you can see, there's an object over here, and currently it's not moving. So my serial monitor is displaying that no motion has been detected. And as soon as I move it, it shows that the warning motion is detected, and the buzzer and LED get triggered. Guys, this was the simulation. Now let's come to the Arduino IDE software. I have dumped the same code in my Arduino IDE software. Link for the code in the description below. Now to upload the program on my Arduino board, I will first connect it to my laptop. Friends, as you can see, now I'm going to upload my program. So to upload it, first I will verify it. It is compiling the sketch, and it has finished compiling, which means there are no errors in our code. Now I will press the upload button to upload the code. It's uploading, and the code has been successfully uploaded. Now I will show you the result. Friends, as you can see, I have rigged up the circuit here. Here's our motion sensor, our LED and our buzzer. Now I'm going to move my hand in front of the motion sensor and see what happens. Guys, as you can see, our LED has on and our buzzer is also buzzing. Now I have removed my hand in front of the motion sensor and as you can see everything has switched off. Now I'll show you the serial monitor as the output on the serial monitor. Friends, as you can see, I am not moving my hand in front of the motion and it is coming as no motion detected. Now watch carefully. I move my hand, the impact stays for a little time, but that's not a problem. And as you can see, the motion has been detected. Friends, as you can see that now my hand is not moving and it is telling that no motion detected. Friends, as you saw, this was our today's project using a PIR motion sensor to detect motion. And if motion is there, the LED and buzzer get triggered. Friends, this was today's project. I hope you liked it. Guys, I would like to inform you that the sensor takes a little time before when you upload the program, it takes a little time to get started. So don't worry about that. Set the potentiometer as you wish to do it. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.